Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do a video on this knife, the credit card knife. As you can see, it goes right into your wallet. That's how it looks. Take it out. This is how it looks. It's pretty cool. It has a little lock. So we take that off. Take it off. Okay, right there is off when the green is out. So you come. As you can see, blade. Now, that's how it locks up. It's amazing. Amazing. Remember, be an adult, not a kid. Very dangerous, very sharp. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. It can cut you, but it's amazing to have in your wallet just in case you go fishing or stuff like that. You have your blade and make believe you forget, but be responsible. That's all I gotta say. And to close it up, and make sure you turn it. Turn it and it shows the green. That means it's safe, and you put it back in your wallet. Well, in my description below we'll have a link where to buy it. If you decide to buy it, just be responsible. Make sure you don't hurt yourself, and like and subscribe. Thank you.